Are you a Shopify store owner and you want to add additional functionality to your theme? So you saw a store on the internet online and you saw some of the cool looking sections which you don't have on your theme, and you don't want to spend an additional $350 for buying that premium theme. With this video, you'll be able to add the stylish, cool looking sections using an app which I'm going to tell you guys. With this app, you can add 100 plus different type of sections on your any theme which you have on your store. So if you have Dawn theme or if you have any paid theme, you can use any of those sections without paying an additional $350 for paid theme or without paying any recurring fees. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, I'm going to tell you an app through which you can add 100 plus stylish, cool looking sections on any of your theme, and you won't be paying any recurring fees and you don't have to pay any upfront as well. You will first test those sections, that how you can edit them, how it will look on your website, and then you can pay like $9 to $10 for each section to add into your store. You don't have to buy a whole new theme for that. So if you want to learn how to do that, stick to the video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm Bilal Nasir from WebSense Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use this cool app to add additional functionality to your Shopify store. So guys, that's the app which I was talking about. It's called Section Store Theme Sections, and as you can see, it's free to install and we can test multiple sections which this app offers. There are a lot of good reviews you can see, so 400 plus 5-star reviews. So now I'm gonna install this app and show you guys some of the cool looking sections which they are offering, and some of the sections are also free to use. So let's install this first so I can show you guys how it's gonna work. Okay, it's asking for authentication, and I'm going to click on install button again. Okay, here we have the app installed. Now we will explore the sections which this app is offering. So let's first check out the free sections which we have available, so we can test that out and add them in our Dawn theme to see how it works. So let's try first visiting this FAQ section. So all of the sections here, there is an option to view them, to preview them before even installing them. So there's an eye icon here and you can click on this icon which will show more info. So that's how it's going to look, and this button view demo store will show you how it's going to look in an actual store, right? So click on view demo store and here's the section. So that's how it's going to work. And now what we're gonna do, we will add this in our Dawn theme to see how it works, right? So click on this get free section button, and now we will going to add this to our theme. Now click on add to theme button and we can add to any of our theme. So let me first rename my theme so we will know which theme we will be adding it to, because I have a lot of Dawn theme with the same name. So first I'm going to add the latest version of the Dawn theme to make sure all of these sections are compatible with the latest version, right? So let's add in the new Dawn theme. While this theme is being installed, guys, there's the link in the description through which if you can sign up and you want an additional discount for the Shopify. So Shopify pricing is about $29, but if you sign up using the link in the description, you will be able to sign up for just $1 per month for your initial months, right? So don't delay and sign up using the offer link in the description. Okay, our latest Dawn theme has been installed. Now I'm going to publish it. Click on publish again. And now let's rename this theme so we can test out our section. Click on save. And now I'm going to add in this FAQ section to this newly installed Dawn theme, so we can see if these sections are compatible with our themes, right? I'm going to refresh first. And now let's go to add to theme and I'm going to search for the theme which we installed. So that's the live theme. It's also showing this green dot, meaning it's the live theme. So let's click on this, and we have successfully installed this section. Now let's test out our section which we added. Click on customize button here. And now I'm going to go to the product page template because FAQs are mostly in the product page. So visitors of the websites can see answers of the frequently asked questions. So that's my product page template. And now I'm going to click on add section and search for FAQ. So here's the section which is added from this app. It is not available in the default Dawn theme. It is coming from an app. Okay, now let's add in this section. And here we go. Our frequently asked question section is showing up. And you can see we have lots of options in terms of color settings as well. So we can add icons where we can set the colors. So let's first test question. Yep, everything seems to be working fine. Test answer. Change the background color to match our color theme, to match theme of our color. Yep, seems to be working fine. Now let's check some of the other section which this app is offering, because there are a lot of cool sections available which we can test out, right? So let's go back to that app and let's click on explore sections. And here you can see we have lots of sections which are mostly demanded by you guys, and you guys are commenting out on my channel to create videos about those sections, and almost all of those sections which you guys are demanding is available in that app. So we have testimonial, we have scrolling announcement bar, we have slider and delivery time. Let's check out how the slider looks like, right? So let's go to the demo store to see how the slider looks. So that's a really cool looking slider which we have available here. As you can see, I haven't seen this type of slider and it's looking really good. We can also test the settings of it. I mean, if you want to see what are the settings available in customize and what are the customizable options which we have in this section. So what we're gonna do, we will just activate the free section and see how it's gonna actually function, right? So let's click on this and try that section. So before even purchasing this section, you can try this section actually. So scroll down and you have here the try section button where you can actually try this section. So click on this try section button and we will actually test this out. Guys, try section feature was not working on other store, so I have a different development store. If you guys encounter that issue, you can contact the help center that you want to try the section before buying it. So make sure to contact their support. Their support is pretty good. They'll respond back like within few hours, and you can get them fixed the issue if you are having issue trying the section, right? So I'm gonna try the slider section on this development store and I'm going to show you guys how it's gonna work. So let's click on try section button to see how the backend of our slider looks like. So click on it. A new pop-up window will open like this, and there will be a preview theme, a trial theme installed where you can actually add the section and test out all of the feature. So I'm going to add the slider. And in slider, we can test out different functionalities. So let's try adding the pictures. So we can change the button text. We can add the link and let's add in some pictures of our product to see how it looks. Okay. Let's add in some more pictures. We can delete and add more slides if we want to. So I think there's no limit to add slide. Let me test out by adding. Yep, you can add lots of slides in this slider. And it's a cool looking slider, which if you will add on your website will look definitely awesome. So we have option to change slide per view. We can display 5, 4 on our slider. Let's save and test it out if it's working properly. Yep, looks awesome. So let's click on preview. And here's how the section looks like. Looks pretty cool, right? Let's test it out in mobile version to see how it works. Yes, it looks good on mobile as well. So let's test out some other sections as well. We tested the slider. Now let's check out some other section. We have testimonial. We have delivery timer. Let's preview this section, how it will look. View demo store. And here we can actually see how it will look. So you can see it's adding the school feature where we have icons showing up when the order was placed and when the dispatch and when it is delivered. I mean, there are 100+ section and it is not possible for me to go over every single section and settings of every single section. But I think you guys should definitely check out this app and try out some of the sections which they have. And you don't have to buy a $350 theme for that. You just try out the section, you just preview that section and see if it looks good to you, and if it functions properly, you can simply buy the sections, buy every section for $9 each section. So it's really cool. Steps, what's that? Create account, set up an app. Let's preview that one as well. So basically that's a 3-step icon set which we have. Let's test out some other as well. We already tested the FAQ one, so that's in the free one. Lots of sections. Oh, circle menu, that's looking really great. So let's preview the circle menu, how it looks. View demo store. That's nice. So we can open up our products with this stylish circle menu. You guys should definitely check this out if you want to add this type of stylish looking circle menu on your theme. And again, it's going to work on any of the theme, no matter you're using Dawn theme or any paid theme. It will function completely fine. And you always have an option to try section before buying it. So try that section before buying it, and definitely try the sections which they are offering. Okay, that's nice. Hero 1, let's check this out. So it's basically a slider with the buttons on the left bottom corner of the slide. upsell and cross sell. Okay. Scrolling feature. What's that? Check that out. More info, view demo store. Okay, so that's a scrolling section which you can add. That looks nice. And again, all of these sections have option to customize, so you don't have to code anything. You will have all of the customized settings within the customize of your theme. So you can change the icons here, you can change the text here, and you don't have to code. So you can add this stylish looking 100 plus different sections without needing to know how to code or anything like that. And there is a video as well for this section. So most of the sections have video as well to show what are the options available. If the try section feature is not working for you, you can also check this video out to see what are the functionality of that section. So guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up because it's going to be a very long video if I go over every single section provided by this app. And I definitely suggest you guys to install this app and try out some of the section to see if it looks cool on your store and try buy that out. Or that's it. So that's it for the video, guys. Until next video, have a great day.